Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm Winstonwee, and the voice you are hearing is actually not me because I use
Akool software under the voice lab. I'm using a voice changer. So I'm changing my voice to another person that is American accent so they can better understand me. But you can hear that the tone of the up and down is actually by me. And right now, I'm doing a promotion for Akool software. So if you don't have an account, sign up for it. Once you sign up for it, click on this upgrade button over here. And when you click on the upgrade button, subscribe to the yearly plan because they will give you 30% off the yearly plan. If you go for a monthly plan, there's no discount. Try to go for a yearly plan, and then that is going to cost you $252 per year. And that will be $21 per month. Click on this upgrade, and there will be another surprise for you. When you're on this upgrade, click on this add promotion code and just clean the code. Thank you. And click apply. And that'll bring you another 40% off.
There will be $151.20 per year. That will be around $12.80 per month to get the Pro plan at 600 credit. And the good thing is, with this 600 credit for the voice land, the text to stage, voice loan, voice changer is all totally 100% free as of now. I'm not sure in the future we'll already be charging it. But for now, the voice lab is free to use. So I think this feature alone is fantastic. Because right now, what you're hearing is personally by me, Winstonwee. I'm speaking, but I use the feature on this Akool software, which is a voice changer in the Akool software, which is currently free to use. And that's why you are hearing a different voice. But you can hear my tone up and down. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friend and share the promotion code with your friend. Subscribe to Akool software and I will see you on the next video. Thank you, everyone.